I think there are more similarities than anything else in between the denominations.
As I would see God's perspective, that's what God would want us to be one. But being sinful human beings, we have divided.
It's appalling to God to see the kind of division and disunity and bitterness that sometimes rises over petty things, and really most of the things that divide Christian people are quite petty.